Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some really exciting things to share with you today. Like, you guys, there's one that you're just gonna go, wah! I mean, actually a couple, but this one, those of you that like, you are gonna love, get ready, dun 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 dun. We've had so many requests for more gnomes. These little gnomes are the cutest little things. Look at how adorable they are. Now, we've done gnomes and gnomettes in the past. However, these have what I want to say more personality, right? Let's add some more personality to these little critters. And look at this little guy. He's just waving. This one's giving you flowers. This one's watering some flowers, and here's a flower pot for her to water. And this little guy's holding like a little lantern. And it says, "You're a friend like no mother," or "There's no one like you." And of course, yes, you know the deal. There's dies that match. And we do something a little different at the Stamps of Life. I include the inside dies as well. So if you like a shadow, you use the shadow die. If you don't want a shadow, use the inside die. Or heck, you could even use the dies by themselves if you wanted to. So many just different opportunities. And I have a lot of fun samples to share with you. We're also releasing a die set that I'm gonna be using way more than I realize, because I think, gosh, it would be fun even on the inside of a card. Doesn't have to be on the outside of the card. It could be on the inside as well. And it is Hugs and Kisses. It's coming with the Hugs and Kisses and the shadow die as well. And look how cute it is on this card. We've actually used our candy heart background stencils, which are really fun. Look at how cute that is. Now you could use that on the front or on the inside of the cards, which is fun. The next item we are releasing today, let me just tell you, I am all about the rose gold. Why? Because rose gold is pink gold. That's what it is, really. We call it rose gold, but it's really pink gold. And oh my goodness, Kirsten, my older daughter, loves rose gold jewelry. Well, I don't have any rose gold jewelry, but dun, 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 I have rose gold foil paper. Now, I know it's hard to see on camera because it just doesn't catch the color as well as it should, but we're releasing a new foil pack. It is a foil pack number 3. It has 16 sheets of 6x6, and it has 4 colors. So it has this rose gold, and I'm trying to catch the color. Oh, there you can kind of see the color. Oh my goodness. On camera, it just doesn't do it justice. Then it's also going to have copper, like a penny. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? Then it's also going to have brushed gold. So more of a, I don't want to say the word dull because it's not dull, but it's a brushed gold. And then a brushed silver. So it's still a foil. It's not like a pearl. They're still foils, but they're brushed. So it's not as shiny. And let me tell you guys, for the rose gold alone, it's totally worth it. But when you need copper or you need a gold or a silver, but you don't want it too in your face, these are the ones you're gonna grab. So that is brand new. And we have something new from Crafter's Companion. They are called, and let me grab all of them. Stay tuned, I have lots of samples. They are called Colorista pens. Now, this is gonna be a 32 pack. We're selling it as a bundle. What does bundle mean? Bundle at the Stamps of Life means you save more money. Club members get a discount on top of the bundle price. But look, there are 4 pen sets in here, and these are, my friends, alcohol markers, dual tipped. Now, different than our tri-blends, because remember, tri-blends have 3 colors in one pen. These are 1 color in one pen. The tips are bullet tip and brush tip, same color, and they are gorgeous. So you're getting, and I'm not gonna name off all the colors, but this one is called the soft tints. This one is called the brilliant hues. This one is called the rich shades, and this one is called the natural tones. Now, what is different about these pens? First of all, you guys, they're alcohol markers. So if you have not jumped in and gotten the tri-blend markers, this is the perfect beginner set for you for alcohol markers, okay? So like if the tri-blends are not in your price range, totally understand. you want to try the Coloristas. Now, the Coloristas are also perfect for the kids in your life that are like the tween age or the teenager age that like to color, that just want markers in general. Because you know what? You know when you color with a normal, I should hold all four. You know when you color with a regular marker, just the cheapy markers, you color, and then you want to do another color, but you see everywhere where you overlapped because it has those streaks and those lines, and you're just like, why did I even bother? Because it has all those streaks. Well, you guys, look at this. These alcohol markers, I used 2 colors here. I used, what colors did I use? Does it say? Okay, I used cocktail pink and poppy. And look at that. Poppy's on the top, darker on the top, lighter on the bottom. They blend perfectly. No streaks, no line where you can say, oh, that's where she changed the color. No, no, no. They blend perfectly. It's the same type of ink as what's in the tri-blends, but in a smaller format, and the price is jaw-dropping. Okay? When they told me the price for these, I said, no, that must be that must be the price I pay. And then I charge over that for my customers. They're like, no, 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 that's your customer's price. And I said, are you kidding? So these are perfect gifts, okay? The person in your life that is new to card making or likes to adult color, you know how they have the adult coloring books and some people just like to color? They're gonna fall in love with these because they don't have the streaks. So it's Spectrum Noir ink, but in a format that everyone can afford. And it's perfect like when you're using your tri-blends and you have a little friend over, like a little Liam or Miller over, and they want to color too, but you don't want them to use your tri-blends, you give them the Colorista pens or a beginner colorer. So for example, again, if you're not sure about, yeah, I don't want to invest in the tri-blends, I'm just not there yet, right here, you guys. These are awesome and they're beautiful. Okay, now let me show you all my samples because I have so many fun samples. So here's our cute little Hugs and Kisses. I already kind of showed you that one. Here's another Hugs and Kisses. Look how gorgeous that is. I absolutely love it. Yes, it does come with the shadow, of course. Here it is without the shadow. So beautiful. So gorgeous. This is also using our grid die with the 4 little down below. Now watch this, you guys. Dun, 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 dun. For you, we're going to open it up. Hugs and Kisses on one of our pop-up dies. Look at the gnomes. Are you ready for this? Box card, box card. Is that the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Look at those little guys. They are just layered. It's like a whole family there. I just love it. Now, look, you can color him. There's no one like you. Again, if you're not into coloring, I want you to get these Colorista markers. I will change your mind because then you will fall in love with Spectrum Noir pens and eventually you'll want to get the tri-blends, but start with those first if you're not into coloring yet. Look at how cute her little hat is in pink. I love it. She's peeking over. So fun. Look at these little guys on the slim line. Look how cute they are. They're just so sweet. I just absolutely, you guys, I fell in love when I was doing these. I just fell in love. Look how cute this one is, Thinking of You on a 5x7 card. Love it. Here's a cute one with our another grid die. They're just kind of peeking through the windows. And look at this. I absolutely love this. This is with our gingerbread house Fold It. Perfect for our little gnomes. Aren't those cute with one of our mushrooms in the background, sending you lots of love. So cute. Club members, you know the deal. You're going to get 15 to 20% off every single item I just showed you. And in fact, the entire website for every single order when you're a club member. That's not just your first order. That's every single order you ever place at the Stamps of Life. If you're a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off the entire website. It's like amazing, isn't it? It's like a sale every single day. And on release days, we usually have a couple flash sales. So you're definitely going to want to always make sure you tune in to our website on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. Because chances are we're going to have flash sales. Flash sales are for 24 hours or until the item is sold out. And you're going to get the flash sale discount and your club discount on top of that. So you're getting double discounts and you're getting your club points on top of that. It's insane. It's awesome. It's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.